Hey, what is going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. Excited today to get into brand new Nebula 3 model. Now, I do have a Nebula 1. This is the first generation. This one right here, though, is the latest and greatest, and it's laser. Now, I did purchase this with my own money, and this video is not sponsored at all by any company. I just really love their product because after using the first Nebula, I realized how important a projector, it doesn't matter the size of the projector, it's actually the what's inside that counts. Speaking of size, from what I've seen with version 1, I think version 3 is going to be incredible. So anyway, today, first look at this. We're going to unbox, then we're going to do a little test. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see the video quality that's coming out of this thing. So that's what we're gonna do. And then hopefully in the future, I can actually do a comparison video after I've gotten some time in with this. You know, version 1 versus version 3 and see how they compare, right? All right. So by the way, I don't know if you noticed or not, but there is a transformer version of this projector, which looks really cool, by the way. I was very tempted to get it. And instruction booklets, remote control. Let's take a look at the remote control compared to the old one real quick. So this one right here has the new voice command. I believe this is Google Assistant, but pretty much other than that, I think it's kind of the same. Well, this one already has HDMI, the older one, the button for HDMI, but then this one right here, I'm not sure what that is yet. Okay, so slight differences there. Still include 2 AAA battery, which is awesome of them to do that. I don't have to run around look for batteries. So what I've heard is that this thing has Google Chromecast built into it. So this is a whole Google system right here, right? So that's pretty cool because you don't have to buy a separate adapters to plug into this thing in order to use Google TV and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I have Roku. There's also Amazon that has their own little Fire Stick and things like that. So I usually use that on these, but because it has Google TV, I don't have to plug stuff into here. Anyway, take a look at the back real quick. I believe this is an auxiliary port for like speakers and stuff like that. HDMI, awesome. And then USB-C. That's actually very good right there, USB-C, because the first version of the Nebula uses micro USB, which, you know, can break very easily. But USB-C is a lot stronger. I believe this is kind of the same button where you sync Bluetooth stuff, power on. But instead of them putting all those buttons up on top here, it looks like they moved it to the side. And then these are now just volume button and, ooh, I don't know. Oh, okay. Volume button and then, you know, a bunch of little control stuff. So it looks like you can, you know, up, down, left, right kind of here. And then here's the back button right here, so that you don't have to use the remote in order to control some of the things that's on the screen. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I'm glad they did that because the thing that bugs me about the first one was that I couldn't use the top portion of it to control the menu that was on the screen. I had to use the remote. Okay, what else is in this box right here? Oh, awesome. They included a brick. That's good. And then USB-C to USB-C cord. All right, so before I plug this thing in, let's take a look at how big or small it is. So the size of my hand, pretty much this thing. So it is a little bit bigger than version 1, but I'm pretty sure all the new tech that's in here, they're gonna have to increase the size of that. But it's still very small. It's no longer, I would say, a soda can, because the soda can I drink, it's not this big anymore. Maybe one of those Arizona tea. You know, one of those Arizona tea? Probably about that size, but still shorter than the Arizona tea can. Definitely not a Dr. Pepper or Coke can anymore. It's not that heavy, but it has the build quality feels really good. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this baby in and see what is up here, okay? Let's do it. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the fireplace. it's a YouTube video that has a fireplace in it, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And at the same time, I want you to hear the sound of the fireplace. Now, I did not turn the sound on very loud on this one. So here you go. This is halfway right here. It just sounds incredible. The speaker on this is so good that it doesn't matter where you stand, you can actually hear the sound from it. Alright, so now let's jump to another footage.